am Vedika Singh, and today I am going to discuss about a very serious and major issue, that is the issue of child abuse. Every year, more than 3 million reports of child abuse are made in the United States. It is a terrible epidemic that we at Child Help Center are dedicated to put an end to. To do this, we need to first increase awareness of the issue itself. What is child abuse? Child abuse is when a parent or caregiver, whether through action or failing to act, causes injury, death, emotional harm, or risk of serious harm to a child. There are many forms of child maltreatment, including neglect, physical abuse, sexual abuse, exploitation, and emotional abuse. Physical abuse. Physical abuse includes kicking, burning, biting, hair pulling, choking, wiping, or any other action that injures a child. Even if the caregiver didn't mean to cause injury, when the child is injured, it is an abuse. Physical discipline from a parent that does not injure or impair a child is not considered abuse. However, non-violent alternatives are always available. 28.3% of adults reported being physically abused as a child. Sexual abuse. Sexual abuse occurs when an adult uses a child for sexual purposes or involves a child's sexual acts. It also includes when a child who is older or more powerful uses another child for sexual gratification or excitement. 20.7% of adults have reported being sexually abused as a child. Emotional abuse. When a parent or caregiver harms a child's mental and social development or causes severe emotional harm, it is considered emotional abuse. While a single incident may be abuse, most often emotional abuse is a pattern of behavioral that causes damage over time. 10.6% of adults have reported being emotionally abused as a child. Child neglect. Child neglect is when a parent or caregiver does not give the care, supervision, affection, and support needed for a child's health, safety, and well-being. Child neglect includes physical neglect and inadequate supervision, emotional neglect, medical neglect, and educational neglect. Child abuse and the law. Child abuse is illegal and should be reported. If you have been abused, talk to someone you trust who can help you through the process. You don't have to face your abuser and talk about it in the court. You can give evidence through a video without having to sit through the trauma of court case. Now, government rules and policies on child abuse. As per the Constitution of India, Article 15 state must make special provisions for children. Article 39 of Part 4 of the Constitution asks the state to direct its policy towards securing that children are not abused, not forced by economic necessity to enter avocations unsuited to their age or strength, and that they are given opportunities to develop in a healthy manner and condition of freedom and dignity, protected against moral and material abandonment. Support services. If you see any sign of abuse in someone you know, or if you yourself are involved in an abusive relationship, get help right away. If you require assistance or would you like to talk to someone like trained professional about the child abuse and how to report it, please call one of these services. Kids Helpline 1800 Lifeline on 131114. Childwise on 1800 Let's all together fight against this issue. Let's make this world a better place. Thank you so much.